Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty out of beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2014 Itasca Spirit 25B on the Chevy chassis. Very rare to have a Chevy chassis. So, let's take a look. This is a fresh trade out of Canby, Oregon. It's got a lot of really great storage. We haven't even cleaned this one up yet. I like how you can get to this storage from two different areas, so it makes it easy to load or unload. We've got the ladder on the back. Oh, that's locked. We've got our 5,000-pound tow hitch back here. It's wired with the 7-way pin. Really nice, great for towing. Short coach Chevy chassis. There's our electrical hookup. It's a 30-amp coach. Of course, it's built with that legendary Winnebago build, and nice and safe, and extra steel cage. Our propane tank. Our generator is mounted all the way up front, as far away from the bedroom as you can possibly get. It's going to make it nice and quiet to run it at night. Let's go inside and take a look. Up here we've got our Chevy cockpit, cloth seats. This transmission has the automatic manual feature. You can lock this into a manual feature and upshift and downshift right here on the transmission lever. It does have the backup camera with the stereo, a CD. We've got airbags on both sides. Great steel cage that Winnebago builds into their motorhomes, so it's a very safe feature. We've got the booth straight across from the dinette, great for conversation. We've got the built-in stereo system for the DVD player here. It's going to play through the TV. TV does swing out and become part of your living room for your entertainment package. There's seat belts on the booth and the sofa. We've got our down bed and back a dedicated bed. Okay. It's got a really decent sized bathroom, especially for a 25-foot coach. Been very well maintained. It's in the cherry wood toned wood. Stove. It's got the microwave right above that with fan and light. It's got the 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer by Norcold, all automatic. You can actually set the temperature for what you want. It's got ducted air conditioning, ducted heat. My name's Roger with Guaranty out of beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you.